Kai. That's what the Shiba Inu sound like at 6 a.m. in the morning. That's how they bark. That's how they make noise. That's how they sound in the morning. When we first brought him home, he never barked, but now you start to see him barking. Kai. Come here, boy. Hey, come here. Come here, Kai. Kai. What are you barking at? Huh? What are you barking at? That's your shadow. You're barking your own shadow. He's barking his own image in the mirror. Reflection. In the mirror. He's a lot of work. He had a lot of accident in the cave already. This morning he had accident in his cave again. It's like 3 days in a row already. He had accident in his cave, and then he screamed in the morning. Screamed real loud. It's like not like dark like, but like human like. So I had to rush down, see what happened, and in his cave, he had accident in there, so I had to clean up of that. It's a lot of work for puppy, but you have to be patient, train them, love them, you know. Hey, okay. Now I hear you barking. For the first time, you're barking. Looking at yourself when you're barking. See, he looking at himself. See? See? He look at himself in the mirror.